This is my Play-Doh set that I got from Sainsbury's. Look at the back of it. It says colour mixing. Wow! Let me show you the colours. This is red. Look at the colour red. This is some red Play-Doh. It's soft. It smells like strawberry. This is our second kind of Play-Doh, which is orange. This Play-Doh is a bit different. How does it smell like? It actually smells like oranges. Our third kind of Play-Doh is colour yellow. The yellow colour is the colour of the sun. Look at this yellow Play-Doh. It smells like bananas. Let's see what the green Play-Doh looks like now. Ooh, it's a bit more softer than the others. It's green, light green. Let's smell it. What would I think it was? A flower. Actually a buttercup. That's a type of flower. Our next colour is blue. It probably smells like blueberries and flowers. But like as a mix. This is some blue Play-Doh. It is really soft. Let's try purple, then pink, and then white. These lids are too complicated to take off. This is some purple Play-Doh. It's very soft. I don't know what it smells like. I will say it smells like water. I think purple Play-Doh does not have any smell. It's still got pink and white left now. We're doing pink. This lid is a bit too complicated in the way it is. We just need to twist it as possible. It has to be the best way to make it work. No way! It smells like bubble gum. That's literally a joke. But it actually does smell like bubble gum. This is pink Play-Doh. Now this is white. The last colour we've got left. It smells like a very big mix of everything we've had right now. This is white Play-Doh. And this is the lid. Now we're going to play a game. We can mix some colours in this game. Let's put that pink back again. We don't need pink to mix. We we are going to mix red, yellow and blue. That's our mix of the day. Red. Let's get some red Play-Doh. A tiny bit of yellow and a little blue. I don't know what it is going to make, but we are going to check when we mix it. I think it's probably going to be something. Oops, my lid. Now let's mix them because we've got all three colours to mix now. Red, yellow and blue. When you flip it over, doesn't it look like a flag to you? It's actually not a flag. Some colours are switched in the flag, but if these colours are switched, it would look like a flag. It's getting a bit purplish now. This colour is red, yellow and blue. It's kind of looking rainbow to me. Look at this colour. Doesn't it look like a rainbow? Or especially a rainbow? Why asked? Still not on one colour. It's looking a bit brown. We'll mix 3 colours. Still some more mixes. Now, new colour is brown. I told you, let's stack the colours. First we've got red, orange and yellow. Then let's have green, blue. It's going to be a bit hard and stacking now. Purple, pink, finally white. Why did the stick hands fall again? These are the 3 countries I lost. Not countries. Why would I call them countries? The brown that we made, let's add some pink in there. Because I love pink. It's one of my favourite colours. So what we'll do is actually add some pink in. Tell me your 3 favourite colours, or 2, or any number of favourite colours you like. Then I will mix them up and tell me the results in my other videos.